Hi, I'm Shruti. Sometime back, I was looking for a career transition into data science. Hence, I enrolled in this course, which is offered by BEPEC Solutions, that is career transition as a data scientist. So this course is not only self-paced, but also goes from a very basic to an advanced level, by the end of which you would have solved so many real-time end-to-end projects that not only boost your confidence, but also help you crack n number of interviews. The roadmap, which was stated by mentor Kant, just require a prerequisite of your consistency and discipline, and it will take you from the basics to advanced level of covering statistics, then the Python, that is from the very basics of loops and to the OOPS concepts. Then it will also work in terms of data analyst, those who are looking for a career transition as a data analyst. Sir has also told us about EDA, or the softwares of Tableau and Power BI, MySQL. The concepts of machine learning, deep learning and NLP goes from basic to an advanced level, and the math behind every algorithm and why it is being used is also taught by him. The end stage of the deployment, and there are a lot of extra videos provided by them which you can see even after your transition, and whenever you want to go back, it is a lifetime access program. So they also offer the interview preparation tips, and help you design your entire resume, and how you have to answer or crack or think about certain questions which is being asked in the interview. So all the best. I have made my transition. I hope you all will.